Before I get into this video, I have an advice for you. Make sure you are the person on your team that can maximize AI. Make sure you are the person in your team that can leverage AI the most. For example, if you have 10 people on your team, make sure you become that person that with the help of AI, you can do the work of those 9 other people faster than them, 10 times faster than them, even with the aid of AI. Because at the end of the day, companies only need one guy that can use to replace all the others in the teams that can't use AI. That's the direction the world is going with the type of resources that are currently and constantly being poured into the market. So the advice here is make sure you leverage AI, learn to leverage AI, learn to maximize AI, and learn to use AI to make your team more efficient. Learn to use AI to do the work of everybody you see around you to perform all the tasks you see around. What are the jobs that are currently being replaced by AI as we speak right now, based on actual data? Number one on our list that we are tracking is data entry clerk with AI tools that can transform PDF, Excel, Word documents into data structures and outputs that are more structured, with AI tools that allow smart automations like pulling invoice data from Gmail and updating Google Sheets, with AI tools that are able to perform complex automation across multiple internal systems, with AI tools that can do research, able to that can go through extensive amount of data and extract precise information from dense documents. It will be difficult for humans to compete in this field because any task that is repetitive, AIs are excellent at those. So these roles are being threatened right now, and it's part of the 40 million jobs that have been lost to AI in 2025 that can go through. So the tools that are taking these data entry clerks jobs and roles are Zapier AI, N8N, Umata, Notebook LLM. These are some of the top tools. There are several others, but these are some of the tools that are currently taking these jobs. Next on our list is executive assistant roles, with AI being able to record, summarize, and extract meeting informations. They can send follow-ups now, can build pitch decks, report memos, smart designs and text. They can draft and prioritize. They can continue with conversations and communication. They can automate calendar synchronization. It will be difficult for anybody to compete with them on these roles. Tools like Phantom, Gamma, Claude, Zapier are ahead in this role and they are taking jobs. The next is bookkeeping payroll clerks. Since LLMs can now query large spreadsheets and financial documents, they can offer predictive modeling for forecasting expenses, payroll scheduling, budget optimization. They can drive financial reports, reconcile line items, audit entries using logic and context. They even specialized tools like Vic AI that specialize in accounting and finance automation. Tools like Notebook LLM, Precision, Claude are taking these roles. Next on our list is transportation attendants. They can now AI tools can now manage inquiry, rebook logic. They can manage multiple travel systems. They can be responsive. They can manage baggage check-ins and gate changes and transport delays. They can manage complications and complexities. They can understand dissatisfaction. They can work within context. They can work within logic. There are several things they don't need to escalate. They can understand customer service for logistic and ticketing. Tools like Claude, ChatAid, Revio, CleverX can work together, synchronized by just one person, a role that had like 10 people before, to get a ton of work done. Next on our list is door-to-door street sales with AI sales agents that can engage and follow up. And these are lists that they keep following up without burnout, without vacation, without rest, without sleep, 24/7. They can personalize product pitches, they can write copies, they can explain offering to people, they can identify hot leads, they can manage follow-ups, they can schedule, they can price, they can manage follow-ups with tools like Atlas, Revio, Claude. AI is taking over this field as well of sales. Next on our list is bank tellers. We have tools that are intelligent for customer services, that can handle queries, that can balance info, that are capable of fraud detection, that have ethical LLMs incorporated into them, that can specialize in different languages and understand different contexts, tools that can coordinate multiple banking workflows. They are actually in use in several banks as we speak right now. Tools like Casisto, tools like Gumlop, tools like ChatAid, tools like Claude. They are currently taking jobs as we speak right now. The next one on our list is postal service clerks. They're able to use predictive analytics to optimize routing, to optimize scheduling, to optimize logistics, to manage mail, able to automate document tracking, they're able to automate notification, routing logics. They can understand addresses, barcodes, uniqueness. They can understand addresses, barcodes. They can read and extract. They can summarize large volumes of data that will be even difficult for humans, that humans can miss one or two things. But because of how effective and efficient and relentless they are taking these roles. Some of the tools are Precision, N8N, Instabase, Umata. The next one is retail cashier and ticket clerks. Because AI can track customer behaviors now, they can automate loyalty pricing and retention actions. They can make predictions on behaviors. They can answer product questions. They can manage returns. They can manage complaints. They can chat with people with smart chatbots. They can manage inventory and update inventories. They can manage customer checkouts. They can manage restocking requests. They can do autonomous checkouts through computer vision and real-time inventory deductions. So yes, these tools are amazing for these roles, and it's difficult for humans to compete because they are repetitive tasks that can be programmed. The next one is printing and publishing roles. We now have AI writing tools. We have design generation. We have professional document writing. We have visual gen AI for layout, imagery, video, and animation that you can't even detect the difference between what is done by AI and reality. They can help write, edit, summarize, and fact check large volumes of text that will be cumbersome for individuals over the same period of time or even over extended period of time. They are useful for orchestrating complex publishing pipelines with multiple file sources. Tools like tools like Runway, tools like Claude, tools like Gumlop, they are excellent at things like this, and that's why they are currently taking jobs from people. Gamma. Last but not the least is software development. Because now we have AI tools that can do coding, that can come up with ideas and get the job done even at a high level. We have tools like now we have AI tools that can Copilot, Cursor, Codium, Sweep AI, Codium AI, Tab 9, and many more that can actually now code, make corrections, make adjustments, and deliver on the job. The jobs out there that AI is taking and roles that are currently being impacted by AI. So how do you stay ahead of it and thrive in this economy and thrive in this era? It is by learning at a high level, No laziness, no slothfulness, just taking certifications, learning, exposing yourself to the knowledge, joining meetups, joining meetings, so that you stay ahead of the game. Be that one person that can do the work of the team with the aid of AI. Be the one person that the companies will need. People that are great at prompting or prompt engineering, leadership and directing AIs, and people that are good in organization will be the ones that will survive in the world of AI. People that can manipulate and manage AI the best to get the best out of it, to be most efficient at it, will be the ones that will get the jobs. Because at the end of the day, AI will not take the jobs. People that can leverage AI will take the jobs that from people that can't leverage AI. Be the one that can leverage AI. And guys, that's it from our hand. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification buttons so that you get videos when we drop them. Remember, we are always, always, always happy to help.